Hello.
Hi, I'm Bob. He's Jan, and that's Dave. And together we're restoring an A-26 Invader bomber with the help of some amazing volunteers. So come along and join us on this amazing journey.
Good morning. It's been a kind of a slow week. It's Wednesday. I've been trying to work on instruments and trying to find some. Last week, as you know, we tested a bunch of stuff and nothing was working out. Well, we've hunted around the hangar a little bit and we found some stuff. Let me turn this around. Found a turn and bank. Found a directional gyro, found an attitude gyro, and the one altimeter. Trying to find an airspeed indicator, a vertical speed indicator for both sides. We're working on a turn and bank, airspeed, VSI, and altimeter for the co-pilot side. In the meantime, we're working on trying to figure out how we're going to have all our enunciators work. So we have to do some plumbing changes behind the panel. So that's what I'm working on. It's not much of a report today. It's Wednesday. We'll see how the day goes and see what we can accomplish on Friday. So there's a lot of conversations around here about snacks, particularly since we're all old geezers and
we love snacks
and hostess
comfort food.
Hostess
It's comfort food.
Hostess snacks were always high on our list of stuff as we were young men.
Absolutely.
Well, one of the things that we've sorely missed
Are
snowballs.
and particularly this variety, which is the ones with the pig stuff on the outside.
That's right. We went through the Twinkies and the cupcakes,
That was quick.
and we still have a bunch of Hostess donuts. We got anything in here? Nope. Anyway, Doug brought that package over to me the other day. I'm going to have one. And specifically for John, because John loves these things. And I like them too. You know, the only thing what were those cake ones with the cream fillings, the two halves? Ho-Hos? Were the Ho-Hos were the hard chocolate.
Yeah.
What were those? Anyway, I'm going to find out.
We're going to find out. We're going to have some more of them. So,
Hey, John. Oh, you finished that already. What do you have to say?
yum, yum, yum. I'm a fan of Hostess from when I was in junior high school. Doug.
You're supposed to say thanks, Doug.
Thanks, Doug. It was yummy.
Do it again. Start over.
Okay. Hey, Doug, thanks for the Hostess. It was yummy. I remember those from when I was in junior high school. I used to skip over to 7-Eleven at recess and get some and yum them in. And I shared them with everybody in this place. There's two Bobs here right now.
Mm-hmm.
So they're going to be thankful too. And
I've already had mine.
well, did you say thank you?
I said thank you when he dropped them off the other night. But also, Doug, thank you.
Okay, now we got this down.
Well, I don't know. I've got a new, a separate whiteboard, murder board. This is a list of stuff that we have to do before we can get this before we take this airplane over to Duncan. Here's a list of things that we have to get done before we can get this out. We've got to get the jacks. We've got to get it up in the air. This is not in any particular order, but we need to do gear swings before we put the tires on it so that we know that the gear doors close nicely. Then install the wheels and tires. We still have to get the wing tips off, remove the ailerons, wing root fairings, and then Jan's working on some heavy-duty dollies that we can tie together and be able to pull the airplane out. And before all that, and while all that's going on, we got to get the nose installed. So that's on the list of things that we have to do to get it out of the hangar. to go over to Duncan's.
Well, end of another week. Not a lot of work done this week because there's a lot of planning being done, thinking about the annunciator panel, doing the piping schematics for the instruments, vacuum and vent, and I have found some instruments. We've got everything for both sides with the exception of the airspeed and the VSI, vertical speed indicator. So we'll try to get those. I'm hoping to get those next week, get that populated. And then there's all kinds of plumbing that goes on the back side, and I need to figure out those routings. In the meantime, Bob and John and Jan have been working really diligently on how to make our annunciator panel function, how they're going to have to put sensors in line to have those lights come on in case there's a problem. So they're working on that. Yeah, so anyway, it's a short video. I understand that. Hopefully we'll be doing some more, getting stuff done next week. If you like the video and you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate a subscription. And then if you can share it out, that would be great. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Shh.
Oh, sure. That's where I was going.
Are you filming up here?
That's what I